What's up, y'all? I'm back. What's going on? This is Night Rider. I'm changing my channel, doing a little bit of different things, trying something very different. Sorry I've been going for a while, y'all. I've been going through some things. Been going through a lot. I've been busy. I've been working. I've still been riding. I've always wanted to film in a location like this because a lot of times I'll have ideas for videos, but I can't film them because I'll be busy. I'll be doing something. It's hard to get on the bike and just go film a reaction to something going on. But I've always wanted to film at home, but I just don't want to show my face. And so I just thought about, hey, there you go. So I'm going to be filming a whole lot more frequently because it's so easy for me to do so. That's a big problem I had on the bike is because if it was raining or if it was inclement weather or if I was just too busy or too tired to ride, I just couldn't film. And a lot of times I would just not have a lot of footage and I didn't like that. So I'm doing this and I will be doing this very often. I'll be uploading about 5 days a week. I'm going to try to. I'm going to upload a buttload because I can do this easily. And my helmet is fogging the mess up right now. So I'm going to figure out a method of changing that. But hold on. Okay, that helps a lot. Now I can talk without fogging up my freaking helmet. Jesus Christ. So anyway, a lot of things have been going on. Still got my bike. I still haven't crashed. I'm not dead yet. So to all the haters, still haven't crashed yet. So y'all can lick my balls all the way around, all my salty balls. For right now, I'm just letting y'all know I'm back. So look for some uploads. I'm still uploading bike stuff. Just in between the bike stuff, when I have topics I want to talk about, I'm going to talk about them here. And I'm going to spit the hot stuff. That way, y'all always got something to watch and listen to while you at work or something like that. So I'm still riding, still doing my thing, but for obvious reasons. And then plus, I like my privacy. You know me. I don't like put all my business out there. So yeah, I'm back, y'all, and I'm gonna be back consistently. I won't disappear again. I promise y'all. I'm sorry. I really am sorry. You'll notice that the way I talk will be a lot different off the bike because my adrenaline is not up, and I'm a lot more focused on what I'm saying. So you will notice a slight difference. I might not be as amped up. Who knows, man? This is new to me too. So welcome. I appreciate all y'all who've been fans of mine, and I apologize if I've not been the greatest of YouTube hosts, but I'm in it for the long haul. This is my dream. This is something I love to do, and I'm going to keep doing it, and I'm going to take it seriously now. Very seriously. I've had a lot of encouragement from some YouTubers about how I should keep going, and I will. So it's going down, y'all.